We are going to get some lansones. Hello. Over here. So we call this one Luzon. This one and this one. It looks so yummy. That's protein. Come on, eat. Good morning. So right now I am here at the farmhouse. So for our today's job, we are going to clean the area because we are preparing this area for vegetable farming. Over here, it's almost clean. This one. And over here, and then a little bit more here. That's the job of my auntie, my uncle, my dad. So over here, it's mostly clean on that side, and then this side. So right now, uncle is working and then dad is working. I can't help right now because I have a video that I have to finish. I need to upload video for later. Let's work. Yeah, this is caterpillar. Ay, kalain. Ay, kalain.
Tikit anandag ko, niya buli kanon.
Butikol. Ano? Wow. Oh. Kaon. So right now, I am going to make some luyang. So we're gonna put some banana and then do like this.
Banana.
So we call this one Luzon. This one and this one. This is like manual smasher. Comment down below what's the English name of what I am doing. So put some. This one, there's coconut. We grind it earlier. And then we're gonna mix that one here. So once you do like this, you need to use really young saba banana. So these are young saba banana. That's why we are doing this. This is not that great if you're going to eat like alone, because this is a very young saba banana and it doesn't taste sweet as matured saba banana. Uy, mayabo piya, no? Uy, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Wow, sugar. So yummy sugar.
I think this 10 pieces of banana.
10 pieces? Not banana, mommy?
Yes, darling. I think this is 10 pieces. I will just recall the video how many I put.
Yeah, let's go. You wanna go to the room? Ma. Unsa ta dito? Play.
Ina mag-watch ko diri mami man. Tadan! Plato, kani? Ilawan og.
Kulang ba nagdugmo ko eh.
Padubok kani? I like it. That's so sweet. Yang sa baba na tastes better if you do like this. So in the market, if you're going to sell something like this, so 1 cupcake size of this is 10 pesos. If you're going to sell this one at the market, or if you're going to sell this one house to house, yummy. Let's try. Wow. Sakto na no, dito tamis, no? Start nyo again. So we call this one luyang. So mom experienced doing this luyang and sell it for 2 pesos. That was very long time ago. Played mo to. 20 years old.
Maligyak tipin, maligyak sibuyas. Sorry isda.
Wow, my neck. Sakit ko niyo.
Yummy.
Yeah, this is yummy, Pia.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Thank you, mommy.
welcome. Kiss di. Ako. What you're doing like this is nampiling in Bisaya.
No,
Don't do
bad
like
na.
that. You look like, like lazy. If you do that, you're not lazy. You're the superstar, Sophia. Wala lang yung kahulat nga.
Gutom naman kayo.
Or,
Lord.
You like it, honey?
yeah.
It's yummy, manggod. Sugar, 2 spoon.
Ako kayo. Is there sugar this one?
Yeah, there's sugar.
Yan, doctor ta.
So this is our banana. And then over here, we are going to give it to my auntie. And this is the finished one. It looks so yummy. Good morning, people. We are here right now walking. We are going to get some lansones. This is the lansones tree. This is my uncle's father of Rian, lansones. So we're gonna get some lansones. Ukat-kat ako, Tio. Tio is gonna climb. Tamis ni Rian. I think this is sweet, lansones. So he's going to tie this bucket and then bring it to the top. Put some lansones. Maliya kag lansones, Rian. And then Rian is gonna sell some lansones at school for her daily allowance. Even though Rian is living with my sister, I support her financially for her daily needs, school needs, personal needs, food, and many more. Lanzones price per kilo in my province was 20 pesos to 30 pesos. Some areas have lesser price per kilo, depends how many lanzones tree in the area. So he's going to put some lanzones at the bucket. Amot lang! Hindi matanggal.
Para ng mga wandi.
There's another lanzones over here. And also over here. There's a lot in this one. A lot of lanzones. Look.
Kapin sa dupa ang gikan sa ang sa lansones, kapin sa dupa.
It looks so nice. Looking at like this.
Ila manggali hinaksakan.
Over here.
Lai. Mana ya po na.
And then one more over here. And then one more over here. So that's also over there. This is the whole area of my grandparents' land. This one. And then our area is over there. And then the last is over here. So these are the lanzones we got. Okay. So some of this Rian is gonna sell us at school. The brothers. Oh, that's female and male.
Nadula sila.
Yeah, they're playing sa Pia. Ano man na? Dakpan gining duha. Friend mo, friend. Oh, ayaw. Ayaw, boy. Pareho rin siya guwan natin isa. Boy na. Oo. Boy.
Papatay na. Papatay mo.
Bulaga.
Oh, tanawa.
Ito na isa.
Na, wala. Nag-abot yapon, oy.
Kasi mo, padaaw ka lang.
Stop ba? Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Mami, taka.
Iya.
Okay.
Titik ko, dali.
So,
Oh,
Tim is hatching egg right
Tim
now.
mo.
Ano? Yung kabuhian mo diri sa tangkal sa una.
Ilaw.
Ha?
Lay, ikalaw.
So, there's 8 chickens of Tim. Oh, no, don't come closer. No. No, it's... No, mommy chicken is gonna angry. Cute.
Baby, paman siya. Paman.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!